Full new year. To some people it was sad, some people it was a beautiful new year. And today a lot of people are experiencing so many things, and I'm happy to be back here live on this channel to be talking to my fans, my followers, my subscribers, and your family. Yeah, I really appreciate you for keeping to us up to this point. And there was a time that nobody was here, but you guys were always here to support this channel to grow to a point where it is now. And to me, it's a thing of joy, and I'm so super happy. I'm so super excited for all your support, your likes, share, comments and stuffs. Yeah, I really from the bottom of my heart appreciate you guys. And I just want to say, let us pray for a lot of people who are going through so many things in this life, and people in LA, like Los Angeles in America, and having fire outbreak. It's crazy, and it's heartbreaking, and we really wish that everybody should stay fine, and everything should just stop. It's so sad. Imagine building your mansion, so many things, businesses for that, and then this kind of thing happen. Yeah, it's a kind of a big setback for them, but we ask that there should be peace, and then everything should return back to normal for the betterment of the people of the United States of America. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, sir. Okay, sir. Move on. Yes, sir. So that is that. But I must say this, because if I don't say it, a lot of people will think I'm just here to play. Um, Last year I was not able to give you guys videos the way I should, but this year I'm hoping for me to get good videos that will be given to you people to watch, and we have a lot of content that we're going to be sharing with you, so that you too can benefit and then enjoy the kind of content we do. Agamami Pandora. Orange Lupine, when I'm buying the Dashia, okay, Kula Hama win. So, I'm going to be creating great content for us to enjoy. So, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because it's your channel. If you like culture, if you love culture, this channel should be a channel for you. If you love lifestyle, travel, and entertainment, this channel is for you. And for now, what we normally do here is just showcase the beauty and the lovely culture of Africa. All right, that's what we do on this channel for now. And we have not started traveling outside maybe Nigeria or outside Africa, so we've not started, but it's a gradual process which we're going to do and reach there. And if you are here, please subscribe. Say hi to me, Troy. Troy, hello, how you doing? Thank you for the chat. So subscribe to this channel, and then you see so many things. We have a lot of videos, good videos. Troy, how you doing? Where are you streaming from? Where are you watching me from? Yeah. So those videos are for you. They are not for anybody but you. So it's hard time for us to come together, support this channel to grow, and share videos like this. Yeah, if you see it, share. If you think this channel is the kind of channel that you were looking for, so you found it, so why don't you subscribe? Why don't you just stick to the channel, and then let's see how we make good progress here. How we can develop this channel, how we can make things happen on this channel, how we can make this channel better and better and better and better, and a good channel. All right, because it's a beautiful thing. We are here to support each other. And if you're here and you're a subscribe, you're a YouTuber, you can also drop your channel in the comment section. I'll go subscribe to your channel and then watch your videos. That's what we'll do, because what we'll do is to support each other. You support me, I support you. Even if you don't support me, I'll still support you, because you are so great people, lovely people, wonderful people, and always coming here to subscribe to my channel, watch me, support my channel. And sometimes I have a lot of content I want to do, travel here and there, and sometimes we have some financial challenge, how we progress and then travel to so many places to create content, because content is around us, but content is kind of far away from us. Yeah, you go out, travel, get content for people to watch. All right. And I don't know about you, but here in Nigeria right now things are kind of a bit tough. Yeah. And the fuel is not that easy. Prices are high, and so many things, exchange rate and a lot of things are happening here in Nigeria. So, but without withstanding, we are still here, we are still alive. So we thank God for that. So guys, I really appreciate you guys for always finding time to be here, watching me this year, watching me here. And I just want to let us know that this year is going to be a great year, wonderful and good progress. So as you come to my live streaming, please always remember to subscribe, share and comment. And then if you see a video that we did and you see, okay, they should adjust some things and how we do things, then we are definitely going to do that, because giving you the best, that is our pride that we have to do for you. And I'm here to serve you. All right, I'm here to serve you, create content for you to watch. And every subscriber here, you're a blessing. You are a blessing. God bless you. And you have not subscribed to, God still bless you, because all of you all, you're all special to me. You are all my VIPs, and I really appreciate you guys. And I'm so happy to have you as people who are on my YouTube channel, watching me, trying to support me in a way you can, because at times it's so difficult for you to find people who watch your YouTube videos and then support you. And sometimes some people say, oh, you have a nice content, but they don't like watching. So you coming to my YouTube channel, watching me every day, anytime you feel like, and then you're able to find some answers to your questions. All right. And this year, what we're going to do majorly, yeah, we're going to deep into deep culture. All right. African culture, beautiful culture, and then a lot of experience African market, and then yeah, that's what we're going to focus on this year more. And agriculture, it's all about culture. So these are the things that you'll be expecting on this Shmaberry TV. And I hope I hope you guys enjoy watching the videos, and then subscribe for more, because if you don't subscribe, there's no way you can see me
So I started this.
on your YouTube channel. All right. And I don't do YouTube the way a lot of people, some people do. I do it in my own way. So guys, it's very important. It's very important, okay? And I really appreciate everybody. Everybody. You are so special. You are my VIPs, and I'm so happy to have you on this lovely channel. You know, so it's very important. So if you're here watching me, just say hi, let me see you, and then let me say something to you, because you're my VIPs. All right, thank you so much for joining. You can see I'm in the office, so I'm in my office right now. So I just want to take this break to talk to you guys, you know, because you're special, my VIPs. Yeah, you can like this video, subscribe to this channel for more videos, and then beautiful videos for you to watch. All right. Like I said, I'm here to serve you. I'm your servant, so use me. Oh my God, it's crazy. Mm-hmm. Let me dance. Let me dance. Let me dance. You wanna see me dance? Let me show you my New Year dance, okay? I will show you my New Year dance. All right. I'll show you my New Year dance. Just share this video. What is going on here? Marava comic. Well, I'm here talking to my friends. Today is my first live streaming of this year. Since this year began, I've not created any live streaming. But this is the first time of the year. So I'm just here to say thank you to my wonderful, lovely fans, some subscribers, and I really appreciate you, and I'm happy to have you, and thank you for always coming to my channel to watch my videos. Thank you for new subscribers. You are welcome, and we're not going to disappoint you on this lovely, wonderful, great channel, and we're going to, build this channel together to grow. So if you have any suggestion, what you think about making this channel better, you can talk about it, and then we'll look into the case, and then we'll see how we can serve you better on this channel, because you guys are the best. You guys are just the best, and having you here is not easy. Having great people like you here on this channel is not easy, and I'm so happy to have you guys here on my channel. Oh, my channel is already good. Thank you so much. Are you a YouTuber too? Thank you so much for that. And that kind of word of encouragement, I really appreciate it. You know. And sometimes we just find a way to make things better and let the people enjoy the YouTube channel, and then to carry them along, because Sometimes we do videos, we don't carry our subscribers along, we just leave them there. We bring videos to them to watch, and then we feel like, yeah, we have done enough, but there are so many lot of things that we have to do to help our subscribers to our viewers to enjoy our content, right? So this year, we dedicate this year to come travel, India. You mean I should come to India? Yeah, with time I will come to India, but right now I don't have the funds. Okay, I don't have the capital to travel down to India because my channel is just growing. So I really need to do some lot of things and then make some money and then travel to any part of the world that I wish or that I want to travel to, because I can't do that right now because of what? So now, you said I should make video of traveling to India, but I'm not in India, and I should just talk about it. And if someone asks me, have you been to India? I will say no, I've not been to India. So how is that gonna be, man? Is it gonna be realistic? Because sometimes when you make videos of travel, you know, you have to be there. Indians are good people, great people, and then everywhere you go around the world, you see Indians. Yeah, they're everywhere. So I cannot just come up and then make video about India. Well, I can try something like that, but well, let's say it goes, right? I believe the experience would be nice. A friend of mine traveled to India for medical treatment, and he came back and he was strong. So Indian people are good with medical treatment, right? And they are great people too. We love India. I personally, I love India. Mhm. We used to watch Indian movies in those days, and then it was awesome. Amen. 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 Shalom. Because thanks to the prayer, you know, we hope to get to the top. It's a process, yeah. Creating YouTube content is a process. Not something that you do today and then you blow. Sometimes it takes some time to so many things to manifest for us to see. So I really appreciate you guys for your time. To me, taking your time to subscribe, taking your time to watch me, taking your time to share my videos. I'm so super grateful. You guys are the best. I really appreciate you guys. So I'm going somewhere right now. I was here editing pictures, but right now I want to go out. So I have to quit everything. So guys, thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. You're just the best. I love you. Mwah. Maybe on Monday I will do, more time with this video. So see you guys later.